Hey guys, welcome back to another video. In this week's video, I will be making a chocolate layered cake filled with strawberries and cream for a friend slash coworker's birthday. I actually gave her a slice of my pumpkin olive oil cake that I made last year. Shameless plug, the link will be in the description below. And she loved it so much that she asked me if I could make her a birthday cake a few months ago. So I am withholding that promise and I am going to bake her a cake today. Like I said, it's going to be a chocolate cake. And I was inspired by one of my favorite bakers on Instagram. Her name is Bakes by Brea, so definitely check her out. The cake credit goes to her. I'm just redoing it. And yeah, it's gonna be so good. I'm excited. I didn't get into baking until honestly last year. So I'm learning and growing with you guys and getting better every time I bake something. So forgive me if I am not perfect and I do mess up. We are in this baking journey together. So yeah, we're gonna make this cake today. What else? I think that's about it. And yeah, it's a quick short video on how to make this cake. And if you're interested in making a chocolate layered strawberries and cream cake, keep on watching. This is the video for you. I will see you soon.